This is the perfect set for the father or father figure in your life that has absolutely everything. If you need to find a gift for Father's Day, for Christmas, for a birthday, whatever it may be, I have some awesome options for you right here. We're going to dive into it. First product I'm going to show you is the Reiko multi-tool pen set. Pretty cool. So you get two different pens inside of the box. It comes with a couple different ink cartridges as well and a few extra batteries right here. So two pens. I'm going to show you the first one. The first one's pretty simple. This one comes with a small ruler. It has a small little level as well, little bubble level. So what's cool is it has a stylus if you're going to use any kind of electronics like an iPad and type in some stuff. But if you unscrew this, you also have a small, tiny little flathead, and you can spin it around, fit it in to have a tiny little Phillips as well. And you can see that. So on the front, you do have a regular pen setting, and you would just turn it to get it open to close. You can open it and change the cartridge as well if you need to. So that's one of the pens. The other pen's a little bit more interesting. It's thicker, has all the same features, has a bottle opener feature to it, which is pretty cool, but it also has a little LED flashlight, so that's really nice. I think this one is definitely the cooler pen of the set, but what a great gift. Next thing I'm going to show you guys is definitely something I wish I'd have had as a kid. The reason being is my dad would always be on ladders working on something. We were very handy people. With screws in his mouth, trying to yell at me, trying to give direction, never could figure it out. This is such a cool invention. You can have it on your wrist. You can put any kind of screws, nuts, bolts, whatever. And I mean, it is not going anywhere. It's also pretty cool. See this pen that we were just talking about? You could also load this up on there as well if you needed to quickly do something, right? But what a great invention. This is something that's extremely convenient, really easy to put on your wrist as a Velcro strap. Has some magnet pieces. Again, you can put your screws, and it also has two pockets. So the pockets are really important, I think, for different drill bits. If you have, you know, bits or any kind of, flathead attachment to a T25, a T30, anything like that, you can just kind of imagine these were that. You can just pull them out, adjust it onto your drill, onto your impact or anything like that, and you're good to go. When you're done, it slides right off. Love this. All right, last thing I want to show you guys is this headlamp. Pretty damn cool, actually. So you do get a couple different settings. I'm going to show them to you. First, you get this 360 view. This is my favorite personal view. When you're doing something late at night or in the dark and you want to see a very good spread of light, this is the way to go right here. So it focuses the light. And of course, you can adjust this how you need, but you'd be focusing on what's at your fingertips or what you're working on in the moment. And it's positioned just perfectly to where the light will be held exactly the way you want it. What's also really cool, I'm going to show you this, is that you have a setting on here that you can wave your hand on the side of your face and turn this thing off. So here's an example, and this is where all three of these products kind of come into play. Imagine you're working on something in the house. You need quick access to some screws, nuts, or bolts, or even a pen to write something down. But at the very end of the day, what you're going to need is light. Right here is what we're looking at. This is what a 360, I'm going to adjust this a little bit. This is what a 360 view would look like when you were wearing this headlamp and if you were to be working on something. For example, I'm just going to take this piece of paper and write something down on it. Or if we really want to get narrowed down on something and we're working on something very intricate, we're trying to get something very small done. You could be in an engine bay, you can be in the attic, you can be up on a ladder, you can be doing whatever it may be that requires some solid focused light. You can have it right at your fingertip. And of course, you also have the setting where you can hold your hand up to the side of your head and turn it off if you need to.